Hey guys, welcome to e-learning. So I'm going to show you a sort of rundown of what my Schoology page for Algebra 1 is going to look like for you guys and give you some information that you might need. So on top here we have contacting me. If you'd like to contact me, if you have questions or anything, it's a top folder, and in that folder it shows a picture of how you contact me. Here's my email, my office hours, Monday through Thursday, there's what they are. Friday, there's where they are, that's what they are. So if you have a question, it's good to email me during those times. I mean, if there's a question from multiple people, I can set up a video session during that time to try to answer that question for both of you or however many there is. Basically just a time for me to answer questions for you guys. Let's go back to the main course page. Scroll down a little bit. And then we have our syllabus that I've created for us. Algebra 1 Continuous Learning Plan Syllabus. Here's my email. Lifetime information. The link that we use for lifetime is in Schoology. You'll see that in a second. When do we meet for lifetime? We meet on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 10 to 10:15. Just a 15-minute session twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. Lifetime is used for you guys to ask questions and for me to go over some extra problems that I've kind of like planned out. So in the live sessions, you're going to be recorded, but I'm not allowed to record your voice. So when we start the video, you'll be muted and I'm going to record. And then when the recording is finished, for my part, I will stop it, just so you know, and then I'll post that to Schoology. I'm not allowed to record your interactions with me or anything. That's what I've been told. So I am taking attendance on that. Basically, I'm going to keep track of where you, on the live sessions, did you do your classwork, everything like that. We're going to keep track of it. Lifetime expectations. During lifetime, please mute your mic. I have set it on Zoom for my class to have automatically muted your mic. So when you start the video with me, when you get into the session, it's going to be muted. You're going to be muted. It just helps. Also, muting yourself, if for whatever reason you're not muted, helps it run smoother because there's going to be tons of people online. It's going to help. I'm sure it'll help everything with my internet and everything else. Just it'll run smoother if everyone's quiet. Just ask questions through the chat and there's no background noise. Remember, you're on camera, you're live on some of those videos, so dress and act as if you were in a classroom. That's just the etiquette. Don't just use your best judgment. Yeah, don't use the chat in there for anything other than the content we are learning. Please don't just make random comments or anything. Just use it for what we're supposed to use it for, because we have such a small amount of time to actually do live chats, so live sessions. If for whatever reason you don't get your questions answered during that live time, then obviously you can ask during office hours. I'd prefer office hour questions. There's just more time to answer you. But if you do ask a question during live time and it's not answered for whatever reason, you can ask during office hours as well. Again, there's office hours for you, 8 to 10, 2 to 3, Monday through Thursday, Friday 8 to 10:55, and 1 to 3. This is an explanation of why my office hours are very slightly different than your other core teachers, because Algebra 1 is a core class. I follow the elective teacher schedule, so I'm just slightly different in my office hours. But anyway, my office hours are listed here in the syllabus and in the other place on the top folder in our class. Instructional videos, the information about that. Videos that I create are basically direct instruction for you to take notes on and learn from. The videos are 10 minutes or less, and they're posted in Schoology for you to watch. So 10 minutes or less videos posted in Schoology. You're expected to watch the videos before we meet for lifetime. So that way you've tried to learn the information, you've tried to use it, and take notes with it, and you can just know what questions you still have. to ask during live time or during office hours, preferably. Yeah, make sure you take good notes. You use those notes to help yourself complete any assignments that you have, and you're allowed to use notes during your quizzes and tests now. So they are beneficial in that way as well. I have an extra resources link here for you guys to click on. It's just a link that you click and it takes you right to some math websites that you could use to watch some videos and do some things. What are you learning? Most of the things we do are going to be review because we've covered most things, but the new concepts are calculating probabilities using Venn diagrams and two-way tables, adding or multiplying by a constant to transform a linear or quadratic function, comparing the centers, shape, spread, and outliers of a box plot and histogram from two different data sets. And if you'd like to see the full pacing guide, I will show you that in a second. It's on Schoology. Assignments, quizzes, tests, they're all on Schoology. We'll follow the same grading scale we followed before, 20% assignments, 80% tests. All assignments are graded based on completion for your assignments, like the assignments. Whatever you complete is the credit you get for it. Same as we've done before for your homeworks. Quizzes and tests, like I said, are open note. So use your notes, take those notes so you can use them. Obviously, use a calculator on anything that we do. That's just fine. Let's finish the school year right. Let's go back to the main page and just cover a couple other little things. Pacing guide, it's here if you want to check it out. You don't have to, but it tells you exactly what you're going to be learning, and it tells you the live session day. First live session is April 7th, and the next one's April 9th, Tuesday, Thursday there. So this is what I'm going to talk about during the live session, my plan. And then before this day, I'll post a video about Chapter 9, Section 1. So on April 8th, you're going to watch this video, and then on April 9th, I'll go over a few things in this section that I have planned, or you can ask me very specific questions and I can answer them. But yeah, these are the live dates. So you're going to watch the video that I create on all this stuff the day before these live dates. So it has everything on here. End of school, May 21st. If you want to check it out, it's all on there. Scroll down just a little bit more. There's the live sessions, real easy. You just click that link and it will take you and you can open Zoom to join. There's the link for our ebook. It's a nice convenient thing for you. And then Chapter 9 folder with a math joke, Chapter 10 with a math joke, Chapter 11 with a math joke, and then the review chapters that we're going to do with another joke, just for fun. So that is a rundown of what the page is going to look like. And you're going to be able to access all this stuff. So when we're doing Chapter 9, you're just going to click on it, and all that stuff's going to be in there for Chapter 9. When we're doing Chapter 10, the same, just click in there. Chapter 11, just click in there. And then these chapters, just click in there, and you'll find all the stuff that you need. I hope you guys don't have too many struggles with e-learning. Just be patient, and it'll be fine. Try your best and try to learn everything you're supposed to learn. Yeah, just do your best. I miss you guys. I look forward to hearing from you and through email and seeing you guys on the live session chats. Talk to y'all later.